ये एक मंजिल है तो रास्ते भी होंगे और मेंटर भी जो मुश्किलों को आसान बना दे। नतीजे संयोग नहीं होते, दूसरों से बेहतर स्कोर होते हैं। GS Score, an institute for civil services.
Good career is a process, and mentoring at GS Score is driven by primarily two objectives. One is empowerment and another is excellence. This is what we are known for.
कामयाबी की राह पर 1000 से भी ज्यादा निशान। GS Score।
Hello everyone, my name is Preeti AC. I have secured All India Rank 263 this year UPSC CSE and I hail from Mysore district of Karnataka, and this was my third attempt, and I did my graduation in BSc Agriculture, and post that I did my MSc in Agriculture Economics from Banaras Hindu University Varanasi. In this video, I wanted to tell you about the resources that I used in my UPSC journey. In this video, I divided those resources into few parts. For example, the offline resources that I used and online resources I used, and some current affairs topics and materials that I used. Firstly, the offline materials that I used. For example, when it comes to GS1, for example, in modern history, I used Spectrum book as usually, and secondly, for ancient history, I used 11th class Tamil Nadu State Board book. And for art and culture, I used Nitin Singhania and fine art book. But in Nitin Singhania, I chose few topics and I did some specific topics only from that book. Rest I left. And fine art book I completely read. That is 11th class NCERT book. And geography part I used Shubhra Ranjan Madam YouTube channel. In that channel, we have some of the videos, the classroom videos that I refer to in the YouTube channel that are freely available for everybody, but I watched those videos and I supplemented that with Sudarshan Gujar sir places and news and map points for geography. And when it comes to world history and post independence, I entirely left that part, but if you have time you can rely upon some compilations of the coaching institutes, but I left that part. I didn't think so that I should study them, but if you have time you can study those topics, world history and post independence. Secondly, the GS2 part. In GS2, majorly the polity, for that I refer to Lakshmikant book, and 11th class the constitution and workbook. That book is very important because in that book we'll come across some of the basic points. What is secularism, what is fraternity, those topics will be covered in that NCERT book. That will be useful for prelims part. And secondly, for social justice and society, that comes under GS1. For that I refer to Shruti Sharma ma'am notes directly. And thirdly, the governance part, for that I used Vision IAS value added material and supplemented that with some current affairs topic. And fourthly, the international relationship, for that I refer to Jayant Nahata book, that Jayant Nahata sir notes. In that notes, he covered extensively regarding the particular regions, like for example, Asian relationship with India and some other countries and their relationship with India and some multilateral institution also. That I referred from his notes. And when it comes to GS3, I refer to, in that there are many topics. For example, in economy, I refer to Shriram IAS notes, supplemented with some toppers copy, for example, Shruti Sharma and all. Secondly, the environment part, for that I refer to Shankar IAS notes book what comes to, but I read very specific topics from that. I did not read cover to cover in that book. And thirdly, for SNT, I entirely relied on the current affairs part to main 65 Vision IAS. And internal security, I refer to Vision value added material supplemented with some toppers copy. And some agriculture part, I refer to Datri Reddy ma'am notes, but I used some Google Chrome for that. I searched so many topics of agriculture through that media. And when it comes to disaster management and all, I used Vision IAS value added material supplemented with some toppers copy. For example, Shruti Sharma, Manda Patki sir notes and Jayant Nahata sir notes. So in this way I completed GS3. And when it comes to ethics, Because I did self study, I did not have a particular notes for that. So one of my friend gave me PCS IAS Patashala handwritten notes. I refer to that notes. From that notes I made some topic wise notes for ethics. When we can go to main syllabus of ethics, and for that we can make notes according to the particular points. Then I supplemented that with some of the examples written in some toppers copies. For example, Jayant sir notes and Shubham Kumar, all India rank 1. He has some of the 5 pages notes he has. In that I refer to his notes. I relied on these notes for particular some points from his notes. And for when comes to case studies, I refer to Lukman IS case study PDF. I practiced that, but I took some of the framework from Aditya Srivastav sir toppers copy in his answer copies. I took some of the frameworks and I tried to copy those frameworks and try to reproduce that in my real exam. So in this way, I completed my GS preparation through offline media. When it comes to online resources, I extensively used ExamQuest YouTube channel for prelims, especially for the consolidation of the syllabus that I read. In that, usually sir will do marathon session. For example, in modern history, he will cover the syllabus through timeline. So if we watch that videos in a cinema manner, we will understand those timeline in those videos, and we can replicate that in our exams. So I used this ExamQuest marathon session extensively for consolidation of syllabus during my prelim stage. And secondly, PCS IAS Patashala videos, that too he has some of the snippets for a prelims examination. In that I used those some of the tricks he gives. Those tricks actually I used in my real exam, but we should be cautious that some tricks will be helpful and some tricks seems logical. Those tricks you should take, otherwise it will cost you a lot. So I watch those videos of IAS PCS Patashala. And secondly, the Sudarshan Gujar sir notes, like videos in geography part, that I used for mapping point places in news part. So he gave lectures on those topics, and it was very good videos, and so many toppers also mentioned his videos. So I also watched those videos and it gave me a result for that. And fourthly, I mentioned Subharanjan madam class videos. They are available in YouTube channel. So I watched those videos for geography part, for theory part of geography. And fifthly, I use Telegram channel extensively. For example, Toppers Search Telegram channel. And during my interview stage, I use Telegram channels. Some channel, for example, Kanagarajan sir has some Telegram channel that are useful for agriculture background students, and we can extract some of the synopsis and from his Telegram channel, and we can use those in our interview preparation. That's how I used Telegram channels for my preparation. And fifthly, the coaching institutes also make you like some videos. For example, Vision IAS Institute, they make videos on economic survey and budget, summary of budgets. Those videos I watched in YouTube channel. That's how I used online resources effectively for my preparation. And thirdly comes to current affairs. In the initial days of my preparation, I was referring to the Hindu newspaper, but after that, during my interview stage, I shifted to Indian Express and some of the Economic Times, Business Standards, because I had a background of agriculture economics. Some of the board members, like mock board members, suggested me to go for those newspapers. But initial days, I referred to the Hindu newspaper and supplemented that with the current affairs magazines like PT 365 and Mains 365. Using that resources, I consolidated my current affairs. Some current affairs also comes in test series, so we can extract those current affairs from test series and we can use those resources in our notes. We can copy those current affairs to our notes, and that's how we can consolidate whole syllabus and combining static and current affairs part in our notes. This how I used my resources, all the three of offline resources, online resources and current affairs in my preparation. And finally, Thanks for watching my video on DKT, and I feel that it will be useful for the viewers because I did my self study. So those who are doing self study, that too in from a remote places, I hope that it will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.